Local light rail service in Denver, Colorado costs $2.60 per trip one way. A monthly pass costs $99. Gail is a student at Community College of Denver. Express as an inequality the number of trips per month that Gail should make if the pass is to save her money. First, we'll let x be the number of one-way trips taken per month. Gail has two options. She can just buy one-way trips, or she can buy a monthly pass. So going back to the reading, we see that one-way trips cost $2.60 per trip. So if she's buying one-way trips, then we know it costs $2.60 times the number of trips taken per month, which would be times x. Versus if she's buying a pass, it says that a monthly pass costs $99. So we'll put $99 under buying a monthly pass. So again, rereading the final sentence, it states to express as an inequality the number of trips per month that Gail should make if she wants the pass to save her money. Since we want the pass to be less than buying the one-way trip, then our inequality becomes 2.60x is greater than 99. To solve this inequality, we need to divide both sides by 2.60, or just 2.6. Since this is a positive value, we don't need to change the direction of the inequality. This gives us x is greater than 38.08. Now recall that x stands for the number of one-way tickets taken per month, so we'll go ahead and round to a whole number. And see that Gail needs to make more than 38 one-way trips per month for the pass to save her money.